Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the YouTube app and tapping the plus icon. This gets you straight into creation. Once done, choose short and grant camera and microphone access so recording works. You should pick the duration, 15 or 60 seconds, and decide speed or timer settings. This controls pacing and keeps clips tight. Make sure to frame vertically and check lighting. Good framing reduces edits later. Now tap record and capture your first take with intention, because clean footage saves time. After recording, you move into editing. Trim or split clips to remove dead space and focus on the hook. Once done, add text overlays and stickers to reinforce key points. Position them where they won't block faces. Next, select music from YouTube's library and balance clip volume so voice remains clear. Use the Align tool for seamless cuts when combining takes. This keeps motion consistent. Finally, preview the short to confirm timing and pacing before moving to publish option. Now you're ready to publish. Write a concise title, include hash shorts, and select relevant hashtags so discovery improves. Make sure to set visibility, public, unlisted, or private, and mark whether the short is made for kids. This affects reach and compliance. Once you tap upload, watch the progress indicator. If upload stalls, switch Wi-Fi or cellular and retry or restart the app. If metadata won't save, clear cache or update the app. These fixes resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.